Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a custom theme or background to your Home tab here on Microsoft Edge really quickly. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. So launch the Microsoft Edge browser, be it on your desktop computer or on your laptop. And here on your Home tab, guys, on your Bing Home tab, all you need to do is click on that gear icon in the top right corner to access your page settings, and from that drop-down menu, simply select Edit Background here at the bottom. So what you want to do after that is go through that library of backgrounds here to pick one of Microsoft Edge's backgrounds. If you like these, simply click the one you would like to use. Some of these are images, some are animated backgrounds, like short video clips, for example. So pick the one you would like to use. Also make sure that your background is turned on here by switching it on or toggling it on here to the right. Alternatively, what you want to do is upload your own or some of your own images and photos here to use these as a custom background. Simply click on Upload Image here, locate the given image or photo on your device and upload it to use it as your custom background. Also, guys, what you want to do is, for example, change your theme by clicking on Manage Theme here. That is going to take you to your browser settings, especially the appearance settings. So here you may switch from a light to a dark theme or a default theme, or pick any of these listed here. You may also use an AI theme generator by clicking on that button here. So let me do that really quickly. And after that, you will be taken to that AI generated theme generator. So simply describe your theme here you would like to create in a few words. Confirm by clicking on Create Theme here, or simply click on Surprise Me. So let me do that for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, the AI will generate a custom AI generated theme for you that you may use. Wait for the creation process to be finished. That may take up a couple of seconds, and after a moment you'll be given the opportunity to use and to apply that theme by clicking on that button here. You may also customize it, for example, by selecting different colors. And that's basically it, guys. Let's call it a day here. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.